So in this part of the presentation, I'm just going to model for you how to use basic free video technology to make the most basic video possible to include in your classroom, which is just a PowerPoint, uh, a video of you presenting your PowerPoint. So to start off, what we have to do is obviously find the PowerPoint. So I'm going to use the PowerPoint I've already created right here. And to create a video with PowerPoint, what you do is you go to Slideshow. You click on it. Now if you click just this top part, it will go automatically to start recording from the beginning as indicated. But you can actually choose by clicking this bottom part whether or not you want to start recording from the beginning of the PowerPoint or from current slide. This is beneficial when you're starting out. This is beneficial when you have to pause and take care of your kids or something and then come back. So start recording from the beginning. We'll start out that way. If you leave both of these checked, PowerPoint, the program, treats your recording as if you're presenting in front of the class. So it will record your voice, it will record how you click through the slides, that type of thing. If you unclick this, it just records how long you stay on the slides and what animations happen during the slides. So let's do this. So I've started recording from the beginning. And what you'll see when I change slides is that this represents the time you spent on a given slide, and this represents the total video time done. So as you can see, this resets and this doesn't. This is total video time. This is video time on a particular slide. You hit this, repeat, and this is what happens. This resets and this resets, as if you didn't do anything on the slide whatsoever. So then you resume recording. So this button basically allows you to fix any mistakes you make. This pauses the recording and this allows you to go to the next slide. When you want to stop recording, you hit your right mouse button and you end show. And what happens when you end the show is that, as you can see, it records what has already taken place. Even that 6 seconds that you spent on that one slide that you're going to end the show on. So, for example, if I were going back to this recording, I would have to go back to this one and make sure that 6 seconds actually meant something. Then, once you have a recording, how you save it in a format that can be used by YouTube. You go to File, you go to Save As, and instead of PowerPoint presentation down here, you want Windows Media Video. And once you hit Save, this will save it in a format that can be used by YouTube and that can be uploaded to YouTube. So now I'm going to show you how to upload something to YouTube. So you first want to load a video, or at least load a folder with a video in it that you want to upload. And you want to go to YouTube. So I'm going to go to youtube.com. And YouTube is connected to your Gmail because Gmail, Google owns YouTube. So when you sign in, if you have a Google Chrome account or if you're already signed in to Google with your Gmail accounts, you already will be signed into YouTube. You don't really have to worry about it too much. If you don't see this up here, then you will have to actually sign in yourself. And signing in yourself is just choosing which YouTube account and signing into Google. So I'm going to sign into that one. And I'm going to type my password. Now I'm signed in. Now, if I want to upload a video, I go to Upload. And all I do to upload video is I click the video I want to upload, say this one, and I drag it to YouTube. Let me show you a couple of things. Description looks like this part that you see right here. in the actual upload of the video that you're uploading to YouTube. Title is this part right here. This controls whether it's public, anybody on YouTube can see it. Private, only people who have the link can see it. Thumbnails look like this part, or this part. They are what you see before you actually start watching the video. Tags are just things that help people in the public search for your video on the search engine. They're like keyword searches. So you can click some of these that relate to your video. You can type in some. Even though they might not be possible to be found, like standards of L. And as you can see, Google attempts to guess at what you want your keywords to be. So I typed in schools and I put in lesson and lessons and student and education and students and teachers and tutorial and whatever. So it guesses at what keyword searches you want. Now, video thumbnails, what ends up happening is that YouTube tries to guess at what part of your clip you want to be presented. So it looks at your clip and it says, maybe these slides this person wants to be their thumbnail. What you want to be aware of is that sometimes this is not always what you want. And so you might have to create your own thumbnail using even a simple program like Paint. And just sort of, you know, writing the text that you want in or whatever. To publish, you gotta hit publish now or publish up here. As you see, processing has already been done up there. So if you wanted to publish this video, you have to hit publish. And that's when it finally sort of gets legitimately on YouTube. Now you are published, and anybody can use this link to find your video. So we'll return to the video editing, and we see what we saw before. And this will appear once the video has finished processing, so you may need to give it some time. What I want you to see is if we go to Creator Studio, up here, click on that and then Creator Studio. YouTube gives us a lot of cool, interesting things we can use. We can go to Create, and it has an audio library for us that we can freely download certain things for our videos for free and no fear of copyright infringement or anything like that. So we can download songs like this Water Lily. Or handprints. Then we can also go to sound effects. And some common and not so common sound effects we can download and include in videos too. So gunfire. Or household drill. And this sort of saves you from looking for this stuff in other ways or in other areas. YouTube provides this for free for you. You can go to ad-supported music. And it gives you a bunch of different sort of possibilities here for you to use. The key about using any of this is that it's subject under copyright restrictions. So if you wanted to use this Uptown Funk song, you can't make money off your video. The video is blocked in 244 countries. So there's some restrictions for ad-supported music, but it also means that when other people view your video, it's going to have ads because those ads pay these artists. If you use Gangnam Style, those ads pay Psy. Google also offers you a video editor that you might not get on your own if you don't download the free video editor software that you can find on YouTube. Finally, when you want to manage your video, you go to Video Manager. You can do a couple things here. This checkbox, if you click it, you can delete any video you have. This is helpful if you screwed up on video and you want to record it again and upload a new video to YouTube. You can look at more actions. You can give an age restriction for the video, so if it shouldn't be seen for people under 18, you can include that, and a bunch of other things that you can explore on your own time. If you want to edit your video and go back to that first editing screen that we saw a while back, just click Edit right here. And as you can see, YouTube has guessed at what you want as your thumbnail. So it's looked at your clip, looked at your slides, and said, what does this person most likely want for, this part of their video? You also, in this video editing part, are given the video URL, what you can give to students on Blackboard or other websites for them to find the video. And that's about it. Sometimes you'll see a custom thumbnail section here that allows you to change the thumbnail into something that you want. Sometimes you don't. But that's about it. Thank you very much.